Hello everyone. Let us see today how to make a YouTube channel logo using PowerPoint on a PC or on a laptop in less than 10 minutes. You will need a PC or a laptop, any version Windows, any version PowerPoint will do. You don't need a particular version of a PowerPoint. And having said that, the main selections that you require are on the home page. You need a new slide, font types, font size, font color, bold, shapes, arrange. Do subscribe to my channel, leave a like and hit the bell icon. Let us begin with our tutorial. As you can see, I've selected a slide with two boxes and I'm entering the text. You can enter the text, either the name of your channel or just the alphabet, what you feel like. Highlight, select a color from the color selection menu, and I've taken up a bright red color, the alphabet 2 again. Select out and select the color of your choice. You can make it bold, increase the font size. There are lots of options. All these are available on the toolbar. Lots of options from the drop down menu for the font types. I'm selecting a font type and you can select the one that appeals to you. Keep browsing till you like the one that you would want it to be finally on your logo. This is the Times New Roman that I have selected, and it's a very popular logo. From the insert menu, I have selected a shape of an circle or an oval shape. Okay, having done that, with the right click there is the format shape and you remove the color that is inside the circle. Again, another oval window which is fitting inside the first circle. Right click. Okay, we are adjusting here the window in such a way that it will fit into the outer circle. So now you've got two circles, circle within a circle. Right click and click no fill. There, so you have now got two empty circles where on later on you can fill them. Again, select the outer circle, format shape. You have got the third option which is gradient fill, and you can select from the preset colors that are available. Lots of colors to choose from. Okay, now the outer circle has been filled. Now the inner circle, again select the inner circle, right click, format shape. You go to gradient fill and select out the color from the preset colors. Okay, once that is done, the option below that is type. You got in the type linear, radial, rectangular and path. Whatever you want to select from that, you can select. As you can see, I'm just browsing and trying to finalize the exact type that I want for my logo, and the final one that I've selected is path, and that's how path looks like. Having done this, again go to insert, or even your home toolbar also has all these options. That the stars and banners from wherein I have picked up this ribbon. There are almost 7 to 8 options and different types of ribbons. Where you want to keep the ribbon is your choice. And again, right click, format no fill. We have removed the color which was already in the ribbon when we imported it. Again, you go to right click, format, gradient fill, select out a color of your choice. A bright blue is what I have selected. Now you have got your almost 50 to 70% of your logo ready. Now you to bring in your text in front of the logo. So in your toolbar on the upper right side you have the command arrange, and you've got, when you right click on it, you'll have bring to front and send to back. These options, use these options by giving a right click and you'll find your fonts or text that you had selected initially coming in front. See, there you have. Okay, now that's the alphabet G. You find that one circle is missing. We repeat the same step. go to the command arrange and bring to front, and you have got the second circle which is now brought in front. Now keep working on your logo. All sorts of permutations and combinations. Here what I'm trying to do is I've increased the size of the logo and trying to fit it into the circle, and it would look really nice for it to be there in the center, but then it's up to you. You can put it in the right side, up, down, left, right, anywhere you want it. It's really up to you what appeals to you, what you like. And I think it looks good in the center, and that's where I've kept the alphabet G. Then the other text is red and blue, not very matching, so I've changed the color to white, and I think that's better than what it was before. It's looking definitely better. And there you have it. Your logo is ready. The logo looks real cool. And once having done this, if you are satisfied, it's absolutely fine. But then you can keep playing. Say like I've shifted the word up, down, shift the ribbon, there you have it. Somebody may like this. Okay, I've changed the colors. Okay, you can do this really fast. The font colors, somebody may really like this. This is the fonts have been changed, and the ribbon and the alphabets, wherever you want to keep, you can keep. Saving is of course very important part of this whole tutorial. You need to save it in a particular file, but this is the most important step. Save it in a JPEG file. Please remember this. It becomes easier for you to upload it. The option that you get there is the save the current slide, and you save the current slide, not the entire PowerPoint presentation. Now let's go back and see where we have saved our logo. There you have the logo, and there it is. The logo is really looking nice and really looking cool. Let me tell you, your creativity can be limited only by your imagination. So have fun. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel, leave a like and hit the bell icon.